I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and start your part off to the side. You're then going to take the comb and follow around, creating a half circle at the top of your head. And then we're going to go ahead and secure that with the hair tie because we will be coming back to that later. Okay, so I want to wear this ponytail for a few days. So I'm going to go ahead and start slicking my hair down with my Got2b glue gel. There's not really much to this part. You just have to brush and smooth out your ponytail to your liking, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, you guys, so I got her as smooth as I can get. And now we're going to move on to the top part. So the trick to smoothing out your swoop is doing it in sections. So I parted the hair. I'm going to take some more product, take my brush, and smooth it down. And then we're going to part, brush, and smooth it down all the way until we can get to the top. And then you guys will see how smooth this is going to turn out. All right, guys, so you see I did that method through and through. And as you can see, that swoop is laid, sis. So now we're going to go ahead and just kind of like brush around to make sure everything is laying completely flat. You guys, as I'm doing this video, this is now 3 days after, and I still have the ponytail in. My swoop is still laid. It did kind of frizz just a tad because I got in the shower and let the water hit me. But yeah, it's going to take a lot for it to come out. Like my hair, it don't move. So now the next thing we're going to be doing is super easy, and yeah. Okay, so once you have your ponytail to your liking, I just took a white tooth comb, and I'm going to go ahead and comb it out. Now I'm just giving myself a braid. My braid came out trash, y'all. It's because I had the nerves to have on these long-ass press-ons, and I cannot braid with any press-ons on. But it doesn't matter because it's just going to be the base of your ponytail, and it'll be underneath. So just braid that all the way down, and then go ahead and secure with a rubber band. Okay, so now that my braid is done, I like to use the Black Panther edge control. It is my fave, y'all. It holds my shit down. It does the job. Okay, so this next segment of the video is just me doing my baby hairs. I'm not going to be working on this for too long. Yeah, y'all going to have to watch another video on a later date on how to do them edges. But yeah, just do your edges before we move on to the ponytail. All right, so I got some old ass hair, and I'm now about to, if I can get it open. This is just the Argan Oil of Morocco dry shampoo. You can get this off of Amazon for about $7 of them. And yeah, that's the way I'm washing it. So this part, I try to like show this part in my last video, but it was like kind of tricky. Like I was getting comments and different shit. People really didn't understand it. So I'm going to kind of go more in depth with, you know, me actually talking to you guys and just really walking you all the way through it instead of like me trying to do a voiceover because I know that's sometimes not as good, you know. So literally the edge of the track, you literally want to just pull like whatever portion. So as you guys can see, this is my ponytail hair. I do this all the time, so it's already out. But this is what you want to do. All right, that's what I get for not having storage. But you're now gonna take the tip of your braid, literally the tip part, and kind of make sure this is kind of like hanging off, because you want to give it enough space in order for you to start tying your hair tie. So basically you're securing the hair onto the edge of your real braid, your ponytail, or if you got braiding hair, whatever you want to call it. You're literally just securing it to the tip as many times as you can. Make sure that bad boy is on there, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. So the hair's on there, like it's on there. So from this part, this is where you literally just start wrapping the hair up the braid. So I'm not gonna walk you guys through that part because it's pretty like easy from there. But yeah, and then what I'm doing, I know I did this braid pretty raggedy, but the way that I really like secure the braid, as you're coming around, you want to like kind of pull, not each time you do it, but just in like certain sections, you know, to really secure it. Don't do it all the way through, because if you do, it's gonna make your real hair like really stiff, and you're not gonna get like no movement within your ponytail. So you only want to pull, you want to like wrap, pull. Okay, so since we're getting towards the top, so same like what I did with the end, like when I first started it at the tip, you want to just hold on to a piece, so then you could really be in control and like tighten it around as much as you need to. So I'm going to wrap, and then what I do, I go in. You could either put extra product and go around, but to just make our lives easier, I just say secure with the bobby pin, because the bobby pin is going to allow that hair that you wrap to not go anywhere. And I don't always secure with a bobby pin, but today I'm going to, because I could kind of like feel it's trying to act a little janky. So the hair is on. Now I'm going to go in with this. Okay, y'all, I don't have enough storage, so I'm about to hurry up and talk through this. So we're gonna go ahead and get our stencil side. We're gonna spray it on there. Okay, y'all, you're gonna spray it on there, and then I'm taking one of these. If you have like whatever white girl brush, yes, I call it a white girl brush. If y'all don't, I'm not being racist, but y'all know only white bitch. All right, so we're gonna take our white girl brush, and we are going to just go ahead and comb our janky hair out. Y'all don't be like me, okay? I be getting my ponytail hair out the back of my cabinet, bringing it back to life when she needs to be brought back. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this leave-in conditioner that I got from Family Dollar. It's bomb, and it smells really good. So this is gonna help take away that back of the cabinet stale smell. It's really not even that bad. I'm trying to sit here being dramatic, but y'all just know when your hair ain't clean, it's not fresh, none of that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and bring this baby back to life. And like, I am one of those people where I love a good ponytail, but I don't like those permanent ponytails where it's either glued or it's sold, because really this, like, it seems like a lot of work, I'm sure, and you guys are gonna get there, don't even trip. But like for me, I could take it out and redo it every day versus having it on there. And like, I don't know, cause I just like a fresh like start. Usually when you're trying to save a ponytail and you're trying to brush like back into the ponytail, it be all bunched, it don't be cute. So I like the fact that I'm able to take it off. So let me go ahead and show y'all. So y'all see all the movement I got, and then this piece. So you guys, I get hella compliments on this hair, like I really do. Like it really looks like it's yours. I'm probably gonna end up rewrapping that part because it won't go down, but yeah, that's the ponytail. And then what I'm going to do is probably trim this. So I'm gonna do my makeup and put my outfit on. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so that completes my look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my outfit. So, picking shit up. So I just have on my oversized Levi jeans, and then this is a shirt from thrift store for like $3. Has this little boy looking out into the grass, and then I'm pairing it with this black purse, and then I have these black sandals. Both of these were from Shein, so I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below. But yeah, y'all get into sis. Get to the motherfucking ponytail. So I'm gonna actually take you guys along with me. Me and my man, we're doing a date night. We're going to the Ontario Improv. So if you're in California, you know what that is. All right, y'all. So we're in the car, we're getting ready to go. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when we get there. All right, y'all. So we made it. I'm showing y'all Babe's outfit for tonight. Give us a 360, babe. Okay. Hey. Ooh. This is the entrance. And then I'll show you guys once we get closer. All right, y'all, so I just inserted an image, but I wanted to go ahead and share our experience. So I usually go to Ontario Improv all the time. This is about our 4th time going, but this particular time we went to go see Desi Banks. There was a lot of disappointment this night because we were sitting in front of this woman who was obnoxious. She was screaming, yelling, being super ghetto, like to the point where even Desi Banks had to acknowledge the fact that this lady was being ridiculous. I almost went to jail because I was gonna beat her up. I ended up having to let the workers know. None of them said anything in regards to the way this woman was acting. They had told her to be quiet twice, but she did not shut the fuck up. So just a quick tip, like if you guys are gonna go and it's a kind of like Instagram famous person, you don't want to go because it's just too many different personalities, people that don't have any respect, people that don't know how to act like they've been places before, and it's just gonna fuck up your whole entire experience. So yeah.